Umpisa ka dyan nga Marso, pwede rin makapakonsulta online sa may Angel Salazar Memorial General Hospital, Women and Protection Unit o WCPU ang makabataan nga may psychological needs. Diyan matapos kindesignar bilang isara sa 3 ka pilot testing area sa bilog nga pungsod ang ASMGH WCPU. Sunod sa kay ASMGH WCPU Vice Chairperson Dr. Cecilia Balensoy at tinutuyo ka dyan nga proyekto na masabtan ang kakulangan kang psychiatrist sa probinsya.
There is a scarcity of psychiatrists in our area, and the children more needs psychological needs now. So no psychiatrist can cater them. So we sorted to pilot a telepsych.
Sunod pa kay Balensoy nga?
Telepsych is the psychiatrists coming from different sites. So for us, we have Dr. Jafet De Leon from Iloilo. So we bring the patient here, then they have the consultation online. So if this project will work out, it will be cascaded down to all the WCPU here in the Philippines. There are 149 of them.
Diyan ipakibay ni Balensoy sa tion kapag bisita ka nagapanguna nga taga-suporta nga opisina nga ang Child Protection Network o kung CPN na naghalin pa sa may Metro Manila ka Miyerkules, Marso 12. Ang pabisita, ginpangunahan mismo ni Child Protection Network Chairman kag Founder David Bradley, kay imaw sanday Dr. Bernadette Madrid, Executive Director, DC Rason isara sa mga Board of Trustees kang CPN, kag Attorney Katrina Ligarda nga Director kang National Network for Women and Children Protection Unit.
About the reception, it's very Filipino. It's as kind and generous as I see anywhere in the world. I came here when I was 24, and I had never seen a kinder people, and that's what I saw today. This unit is very, very impressive. This is a place where the cooperation of the doctors and the social workers and the police is very clear. It's such a blessing for especially for the girls, the young girls who are victims, that everything they need is in one place.
Sa interview kang Buena Vista Cable, gipakibay ni Attorney Ligarda nga gusto gid agtunan ni Mr. Bradley ang ASMGH WCPU dengan yung gusto ka dyan makita kung paano ginapadalagan dyan ang LGU.
Our founder, David Bradley, we had a board meeting last Saturday, and before he came, he expressed his wish to visit some of the WCPUs outside of Manila. So we decided to choose Iloilo because it's a DOH hospital para makita niya yung difference, and then yung Antique because it's an LGU hospital. So that's why we are here in Antique today.
Kumusta po yung visit niyo?
Oh, it's wonderful. Wonderful. The program was excellent, and I think Mr. Bradley was very pleased that some of the survivors were willing to say something about their lives. Bata na nanonood sa akin ngayon, huwag kayong matakot. Kung may problema po kayo, punta lang kayo dito sa Angel Salazar Memorial at hanapin nyo yung Women and Child Protection Unit at tutulungan po kayo. For the women who are having issues, problems, wondering whether they will ever be able to get out of the relationship which might be toxic for them now, huwag kayong matakot. Come to the WCPU in Angel Memorial.
Anda manginlanta ang opisina kang WCPU region sa ASMGH matapos man ginasisteran sa pagsagap kang pundo sa papakid-an ng opisina sa bulig ni Senator Loren Legarda.
Actually, the fund came from Senator Loren Legarda because I know that Loren comes from Antique. So she wanted also specific support for the Women and Children Protection Unit here. And because the team here, led by Dr. Cecilia Balensoy, is really excellent. In fact, the DOH gave them that special implementation award. So you could see they did an excellent job with the space that were given to them. And we thank also the director of the hospital for giving them the space they needed to have at least an examination table and a place to interview the child privately, and also so that when you come here, when you're a victim, you feel welcome and you feel lighter. You know, the surrounding is gender friendly and child friendly. You could see those drawings that was actually made by a nurse here. There she is.
Sa mabugo nga programa, gipakigbahin ni Dr. Balinsoy kung paano nagumpisa ang mga unit may puluran katuig ang nakaligad kag kung paano nanda nabuligan ang may masobra 1,700 ka mga pasyente. Nagalaang man si Balinsoy nga mabutangan man kang WCPU unit ang norte nga bahin kang probinsya. Sa naman-an nga ang WCPU makabig nga sa kamodelo sa bilog nga Pilipinas kay mo ang Philippine General Hospital kag WCPU Agusan.